Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox technical difficulties code problem easy and quick. And first all you need to do just to start your PC, and after starting your PC just try to launch Roblox, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just just click here and then type task manager. Now maybe you'll find like that, just click more details and then click memory to see applications that takes a lot of your memory, like Google Chrome. And now let's move to the next step. All you need to do, just close all applications that takes your memory, applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Here right click in task, OBS in task, and that's it. After that just launch Roblox and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.